Hey there, thanks for joining me today. I want to talk a little bit about songwriting and Suno and using it as a creative tool that can help you finish your songs faster. Here's what I'll show you in this video. I'll show you some lyrics that Suno wrote that I adjusted to be a rock song. I did that out of habit, so we have to think about genres and take a look at that. We'll generate a couple of tracks and pick a genre, and then make improvements to the songs that we come up with by adjusting the meta tags in the lyrics and making refinements to the description. Along the way, you'll see how the track can be developed from an acceptable track for the lyrics to a better track by building continuously from the first verse through the second verse and into the chorus. And finally, at the end, everything I do in this video, I'll put down in the description so you can try it at home. And if you want to learn more about the songwriting terms in this video, I'll talk about a resource for you at the end. So like I said, I had my lyrics, so I copied and pasted them in, and then I put in the rock prompt. Let me go ahead and give that to you now, and I'll put it in the description below. Male vocal, baritone, anthemic, contemporary rock, with electronic influences. So that's the style we're going for. I'll put that in the description and I'll give everything a title. I'll hit create and let's listen to the result.
Neon lights flicker on the boulevard. Your shadow dances in my mind. Every heartbeat feels like a racing car, driving through the echoes of our time. Oh, the radio's playing our favorite tune underneath the silver moon. I can't escape this feeling, oh so strong. Girl, it's you I needed all along. Take me back to the night we met, where the stars and city lights forget all the pain and the tears we know. In your arms I found my home. Oh baby, don't let go. Don't let go. Leather jacket.
So that didn't come out as hard of a rock song as I usually get with that prompt. Let's see what Suno made with the second track.
Neon lights flicker on the boulevard. Your shadow dances in my mind. Every heartbeat feels like a racing car, driving through the echoes of our time. Oh, the radio's playing our favorite tune underneath the silver moon. I can't escape this feeling, oh so strong. Girl, it's you I've needed all along. Take me back to the night we met, where the stars and city lights forget all the pain and the tears we know. In your arms I found my home. Oh baby, don't let go. Don't let go.
Usually this prompt gives me a song that's like Imagine Dragons, but with a little more softer emotional edge. And that's not happening. But what it is generating is making me think that maybe country rock might work. So let me go there next. Again, I'll use a description that I found works pretty well. And it's a male baritone, raspy, soulful, powerful. And then I merge country and blues and southern rock together. And I'll put all of these descriptions in the description box below so you can copy them and use them as you want. Now remember, we're not trying to get a finished song. We're just trying to find a genre and a track that we can use to help us keep developing our song. Let's check it out.
Flicker on the boulevard, your shadow dances in my mind. Every heartbeat feels like a racing car, driving through the echoes of our time. Oh, the radio's playing our favorite tune underneath the silver moon. I can't escape this feeling, oh so strong. Girl, it's you I needed all along. Take me back to the night we met, where the stars and city lights forget all the pain and the tears we know. In your arms I found my home. Oh, baby, don't let go. Don't let go.
Well, that was a good start. Let's check out the next one.
Neon lights flicker on the boulevard. Your shadow dances in my mind. Every heartbeat feels like a racing car, driving through the echoes of our time. Oh, the radio's playing our favorite tune underneath the silver moon. I can't escape this feeling, oh so strong. Girl, it's you I've needed all along. Take me back to the night we met, where the stars and city lights forget all the pain and the tears we know. In your arms I found my home. Oh baby, don't let go. Don't let go.
Okay, that was a little improvement. I'm going to try one more thing. I'm going to change where it says pre-chorus to a verse, and I'm also going to tell it to build excitement. And then I'm going to take the last line of that verse and tell it to build the pre-chorus. On chorus, I'm going to put big chorus. The last thing I'm going to do is repeat this payoff line. Let's see if that worked.
Neon lights flicker on the boulevard. Your shadow dances in my mind. Every heartbeat feels like a racing car, driving through the echoes of our time. Oh, the radio's playing our favorite tune underneath the silver moon. I can't escape this feeling, oh so strong. Girl, it's you I needed all along. Take me back to the night we met, where the stars and city lights forget all the pain and the tears we know. In your arms I found my home. Oh baby, don't let go. Don't let go. Oh baby, don't let go. Don't let go. Leather jacket and midnight.
Okay, so you can hear in the music that it followed that instruction pretty well. It's not perfect, but it did go ahead and build on that line that I wanted to designate as a pre-chorus, and it did build a bigger chorus. And also adding the repeat of "Oh baby, don't let go," definitely balanced things out. So let's see what the second version sounds like.
Neon lights flicker on the boulevard. Your shadow dances in my mind. Every heartbeat feels like a racing car, driving through the echoes of our time. Oh, the radio's playing our favorite tune underneath the silver moon. I can't escape this feeling, oh so strong. Girl, it's you I've needed all along. Take me back to the night we met, where the stars and city lights forget all the pain and the tears we've known. In your arms I found my home. Oh baby, don't let go. Don't let go. Oh baby, don't let go. Don't let go. Leather jacket.
We've got the rock song, and that sort of worked, but not great. We have our first generation of country, which was okay, but it didn't build. And now we've got something that's building, but it's still not quite right. I think what it's lacking is intensity. and maybe I just need to put in a better instruction. So let me go take a look. I've altered the language in my description to add intense and emotional, and I've also given it a specific instruction to have big builds on the pre-chorus and chorus. I've also changed my meta tag from excitement to intensity to see if that helps. Now, remember, we're not trying to generate a final song here. We're just generating things that are going to help us finish our song. And there's a big bonus to going through all of this, even if we don't end up with a good demo. So let me show you.
Neon lights flicker on the boulevard. Your shadow dances in my mind. Every heartbeat feels like a racing car, driving through the echoes of our time. Oh, the radio's playing our favorite tune underneath the silver moon. I can't escape this feeling, oh so strong. Girl, it's you I've needed all along. Take me back to the night we met, where the stars and city lights forget all the pain and the tears we've known. In your arms I found my home. Oh baby, don't let go, don't let go. Oh baby, don't let go, don't let go.
So it took the chorus and it actually dropped down in intensity, but then it made the payoff line bigger. It wasn't what I wanted, but it got the idea that I wanted it to change the intensity between the different sections. Let's see what the second one gives us.
Neon lights flicker on the boulevard. Your shadow dances in my mind. Every heartbeat feels like a racing car, driving through the echoes of our time. Oh, the radio is playing a favorite tune underneath the silver moon. I can't escape this feeling, oh so strong. Girl, it's you I've needed all along. Take me back to the night we met, where the stars and city lights forget all the pain and the tears we've known. In your arms I found my home. Oh baby, don't let go, don't let go. Oh baby, don't let go, don't let go. Leather jacket and midnight call.
Okay, that one followed the instruction. Now, it wasn't perfect, but it definitely gives us an idea of going from the first verse to build to the second verse and build going into the chorus. And that's something that I can use. So now let's talk a little bit about the tracks themselves. You can get to them by right-clicking on the three dots and saving the MP3. So let me share the way that I would use these tracks going forward. I could play them as I'm writing lyrics. They could help me feel different grooves and different rhythms that I can use as I write my song. Personally, I feel like Suno is a great learning tool. You can generate these tracks and use them to practice singing over or trying your lyrics out or jamming away with other instruments, and that's great. But I wouldn't just generate a song from a single prompt and then use that track in a final project. And there's a reason for that. Think of it this way. Suno's making songs based on all the other music it hears, so by definition, it's giving you the common denominator between all of that music. And you want your song to sound unique. If you separate them into individual parts and listen to them, they'll give you really cool rhythms, really cool grooves, lots of ideas that you can take and make your own arrangements out of to create your own unique song. That's how you use Suno to be a better songwriter. So that's my opinion, and that's how I use it. You may have different ideas. Now let me give you a few resources. If you want to learn about songwriting, go to mysongcoach.com. I'm not paid to promote it. I just think it's a great site, so I always recommend it. If you want to take your Suno song and separate it into stems and you don't have a paid Suno account, you can do that at PopPop.AI or vocalremover.org. Thanks a lot for watching this. I appreciate you sharing your time. If you make a song after watching this video, go ahead and put one link to that song in your comment, okay? I'd love to hear it. I'll go check it out. Don't spam because I'll have to delete you. But otherwise, leave a comment. Let me know if this was helpful. Let me know what else you'd like to see. Share it with a friend. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Those things tell YouTube that you like my content, and then I get to make more videos. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.